Okay, so this is Engage New York Module 4, Lesson 14, Problem Set Debrief. So let's run through the problems really quick because you're supposed to solve them and draw a rectangular fraction model to explain your thinking. All right, so here is my fraction. Here is 3/12 becomes 1/4, or simplifies 2. 1/2 times 4/5 is 4/10, reduces or simplifies to 2/5. 1/2 of 2/2 of 1 whole, 2/2 becomes 2/4, which simplifies to 1/2. A half of 1 is a half. 2/3 times 1/2 becomes 2/6, which simplifies to 1/3. 1/2 times 3/5 becomes 3/10. Then 2/3 times 1/4 is 2/12, simplifies to 1/6. So hopefully you have your rectangular fraction model and you have, all these little important pieces like showing what the fraction, how this is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 double shaded out of 4. So that's what we're doing there. Now, our word problems. I'm telling you, those tape diagrams really do help you see the problems so much easier. So 5/8 of the songs on Harrison's music player are hip hop. Here's 5/8. 1/3 of the remaining. So here's the remaining. So 1/3 of what? 3/8. 1/3 of 3/8 is 1/8, right? So just by looking at the tape diagram, I automatically know 1/3 of 3/8 is 1/8. So this is the answer, not just this. 3/8 of the songs are rhythm and blues. Then we have 3/5 of the students in a room are girls. 1/3 of the girls have blonde hair. 1/2 of the boys have brown hair. What fraction of this, all the students are girls with blonde hair? So drawing out that tape diagram, we have 3/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3/5 are girls, but 1/3 of the girls have blonde hair. 1/2 of the remaining boys have brown hair. So here are the girls versus the boys, and half of the remaining have brown hair. So the girls, 1/3 of 3/5 is 1/5. 1 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it right there. 1/5 have blonde hair. Then what fraction of the students are boys without brown hair? Without. Well, here's with, here's without. So 1/2 of 2/5 is 1/5. 1/5 of all students are boys without brown hair. That's the actual answer. All right, so this one is great using the tape diagram as well. Here is a yard broken up into 4 equal sections or abouts. Here's Cody. Cody mowed 1/4 of the lawn, and Sam mowed 1/3 of what was left. So 1/3 of 3/4 is 1/4. So 1 of the 4 is what Sam mowed. So after Cody, so it says to explain. So that when it says explain, you have to use words. So after Cody mowed 1/4 of the yard, 3/4 is left. So Sam mowed 1/3 of 3/4, which is equal to 1/4. So they mowed an equal part of the yard. That's the actual answer. They mowed an equal part of the yard. Okay, so you definitely want to review this problem set, and because the problem set is going to go with the homework, and in order to do this homework successfully, you need to know how to attack and how to solve. Make sure you know how to solve, like using the method or the strategy for these word problems. So by doing the problem set, checking your work, knowing how to attack that is going to help you be successful in the homework. So good luck and see you soon.